Hello, welcome. My name is Jeff Nice. I am math teacher here at Lower Merion High School. This is my 20th year, 18th here at Lower Merion. I had 2 years in Upper Bucks County at Palisades High School prior to coming down here to Lower Merion. Tonight's short little video is really to get you, well, get you to know me a little bit. Also get to know how your child can access the Blackboard and additional resources that they might need throughout this year in BC Calculus. So a little bit about myself. Like I said, this is my 20th year here teaching, 18 at Lower Merion. I went to Penridge High School in Bucks County, Millersville University for college, where I have a degree in mathematics and actuarial science. And then, like I said, on to Palisades for 2 years, where I coached softball, and then down here to Lower Merion, where I coached middle school, I think baseball for 2 years. And then I did high school for about 13 years after that before stepping down a couple years ago. This is my third year teaching BC Calc, and every year has been a little bit different. My first year, we got shut down in March. So the College Board created videos and the kids kind of finished the year out using College Board videos. My second year, we started out at home. So we had some video resources for that, as well as Zoom classes. And now this year we are back in school full time, albeit with masks. Hopefully we'll remain in school full time so I can actually teach the actual entire curriculum in person, which I'm looking forward to this year. So a couple things as far as the Blackboard is required, or that you would probably like to know. Let me get that screen shared here for us. Been a while since I used Zoom here and I'm struggling. There we go. Screen share. I didn't want you to see my email, so there we go. That was last year's video. This year's will be posted right in here as well. When you go to my page, the home page for BC Calculus is actually the weekly plans. So when you first open up BC Calc, you'll see the weekly plans here. I guess realize I'm missing the date right here, but it is listed at the top right there. That is this current week. Kids have a test tomorrow on the MyAP, the College Board website. They did a review on MyAP last week, or maybe it was 2 weeks ago. Either way, they did a review already on there to kind of practice using MyAP. Today, some practice going over stuff, and they joined Khan Academy. So that was this week. To see last week, we actually go back a week by hitting the forward arrow, and you'll see in here what occurred those 4 days last week. And again, you can just go one more page back and kind of see the weeks prior to that. Also on the Blackboard, you see along the left-hand side here, review of limits and folders within there. As we go through each lesson, that one doesn't have anything here, but if you look into notes from class, you'll see some notes from that particular day of class, review packets and answers that are there. And again, as we move forward throughout the unit, throughout the year, you'll see different ways to access things on the Blackboard. The course syllabus can also be found on the Blackboard right here. Midterm review, and of course, all the units we use at the end of the year, we get to the BC Calc review, reviewing for the exam and everything like that, the BC exam as well as our final exam in here. So hopefully that kind of gives you a little bit of knowledge on how to navigate. In the event your child is at home quarantined, they need to go to an online meeting. They go into the online meetings link, and there will be a link for them to join our Zoom through audio only. The video will not be set up, and their best bet would still just be go to the weekly plans page and see what exactly occurred that day. Oftentimes there are live links for them to go to. So here are the answers to this particular set of problems. Answer key right there, so the links take you there as well. So I hope that was informative for you. If you were not able to attend today, hopefully that gives you a little bit of information about your child's BC Calc teacher and class. Have a good evening.